Hey guys, so today I thought that I would bring you a new palette from Mally. It is the Muted Muse Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette. It comes in their standard box with the pink metallic writing. So if you guys are curious to see swatches and how these apply, then just keep watching. Okay, so in here you get 8 of Mally's personal favorite shadow shades, now in one must-have portable palette. It says a hand-selected assortment of light, medium, and deep shades in both cool and warm tones adds subtle depth and dimension while flattering all eye colors. Velvety, smooth, talc-free formula glides on and wears all day. These shadows are the parfois combination of matte and shimmer, so you can create endless eye looks. So again, box. Well, let me show you what the palette looks like. The palette looks like this. It's the beautiful like matte black packaging with gold writing. It says Mally Muted Muse Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette. And inside, the colors look like this, and you get a nice large mirror. So let me insert swatches right here for you. So this is what they look like on the arm. They're beautiful. They were very smooth. The mattes showed up really well. These shimmers are beautiful. This gold one is particularly stunning. I also am really excited about this like shimmery pink one. So I'm going to hop off, do one eye, and I'll be back to show you on camera how I did it. Okay, so this is the top lid look that I came up with. I went with the browns and kind of like the coppery gold colors. I shied away from the burgundy and the pink just for today's look because I do have to work later today, so I don't want it to be too crazy and out there. So the first thing that I did is I went in with Curious as my crease color. Then for the outer corner, I went in with Dazzling just to kind of deepen it up a bit. Then going in with a flat brush, I am going into the bright gold cheek up here, and then a little bit of Lavish on the center. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to do the same thing, that light brown shade with the dark brown on the outer edge. Okay, here is the finished shadow look. I'm going to hop off, do mascara and liner, and be back to show you the finished product. Okay guys, so here is the finished eye look using the Mally Muted Muse Rose Gold palette. I think that it turned out beautifully. I am so excited about using this palette more. They blended so well. You've got your deep shades, you've got your transition shades, and your beautiful shimmers. So I think this is a really, really nice palette. I would definitely suggest checking this out if you have not tried any Mally products in the past. Good palette. I love the end result. It's not too wild. It's definitely wearable. It's definitely day-to-day palette that I'll be reaching for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch and tutorial for this Mally palette. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.